Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette, southeastern Madison, western Pickaway, Clinton, northeastern Highland, northwestern Ross, southeastern Greene, until 7 a.m. At 6:23 a.m., radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing winds to 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Paintersville to Wilmington to Midland, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include New Vienna, Sabina, Jeffersonville, Washington Courthouse, Bloomingburg, Mount Sterling, New Holland, Williamsport. In addition, Morrisville, Martinsville, Bowersville, Bloomington, New Antioch, Melvin, Rosemore, and Dreesville are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 50 and 75. Stay indoors and away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Wednesday for northeastern Kentucky and southwest Ohio. The National